Here we go. Hey guys, so I haven't done a video today, or an update. So I wanted to shoot a little video and let you guys know how things are going. So the first stop I made this morning, I found it was a good stop. I found several different varieties of Fort Payne. I found a couple pieces of painted Buffalo River, I'm pretty sure. So I found like a bucket and a half of stuff this morning, and then I was so bushed from driving, I went ahead and got a hotel room and took a couple hour power nap. So I'm back out in the creeks now. This one is looking pretty good. I'll show you guys what I got going on here. I found some of that blue stuff this morning, but the problem with the blue stuff is most all of it is more porous. It's slick, like glassy material, but it has holes in it, so it gets water and freeze cracks real bad. But this Fort Payne here is beautiful. It's nice and slick. Pretty neat stuff. There's some lighter varieties too. These little tabs. Trying to find some different stuff. There's some lighter colored stuff around here that you can heat treat, and it does decent. So do a little walk along here for a minute or two. Looks like a good one there. Pretty stuff. That one's any good. Kind of square. Pretty cracked up. Looks like a good little, maybe a good little solid piece there. These cracks pretty bad. What is this? It's that lighter colored stuff. I'm gonna take some of this stuff and try it. Oh, there's another nice piece laying right in front of me. I didn't even see it. Shoo-wee. Sorry guys, just did a 360 with the camera there. Man, look at that pretty little tab. Very nice. Nice little piece of gray. Another little piece. See, like this is a piece of that light blue stuff. It's got full of wormholes. full of cracks too. You see that pretty blue material in there. It's a shame that most of them are messed up. Piece of it right there, a little piece. Nice little piece of Fort Payne there. Yeah. So that's been pretty much the story today. Just my first day. I'm kind of looking around for new spots and picking up a few pieces here and there. Not really going for weight this time. I mean, I'm always going for weight, I guess. Kind of going for more so quality. Leaves are starting to fall, covering everything up. Ooh, look at that one. Man, some big time stripes going on in there. Tough, full of cracks. I don't know of any other chert that looks so much like the surrounding rocks. You gotta really know what this stuff looks like. Piece of that blue stuff there. But that's a pretty one. Nice little chunker. About ready to get my leaf blower out of the car. Got an electric leaf blower. Catch me unprepared. Man. Make a big old drill or something out of that. But all these brown rocks you see in this Fort Payne chert. Tons of smaller stuff. Sun will be setting here in an hour or two. I'm having a lot of fun out here today, y'all. Just taking my time and testing a lot of different rocks. I don't know how in the world I haven't found a nice arrowhead yet walking these creeks, but it's bound to happen. I can usually spot them. You guys are like, there's one right there, man. Now I just seen one. Piece of Fort Payne chert right there. Cracks though. I think this is the lighter colored stuff. And big horse. Nice fish laying there. It comes in some odd shapes, don't it? I like these little tabs myself. Finding church till the cows come home. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here. I just wanted to do a quick little video and do an update. So tomorrow I'll probably stay in this area I'm in Tennessee, where I'm at today. One more day and look some different creeks and stuff, and then probably tomorrow afternoon I'll pack up and head north and east, I think, into Kentucky, and try to maybe get some hornstone, some more of those ancient ones, quarry blanks and stuff, and preforms. Or I might go try to check a place that supposedly has Sonora chert. So, and it looks just like the hornstone. It's just got it's a little different inside, but the nodules themselves look just, it's a type of hornstone, I think. So anyways, hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll keep you all updated. Thanks for joining along.